Hi besties. So remember the video we made on BV? Yes, that one. So following that video, one of our besties reached out and requested that we please make a video on the difference between BV and yeast infection, vaginal yeast infection. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Yeah. My name is V. I'm a nurse and a public health practitioner. But you know what I love the most? Is being your bestie. So we get to talk about everything as regards our health as females. Come on, let's delve into it. Let's start with the difference in their discharges. So, if we remember correctly, we said that the signature smell for the discharge that comes out when you have BV is actually a fishy odor. Yes, a fishy odor. And it's also grayish in color. Whitish gray to green. That's for BV. Now, for vaginal yeast infection, it has that signature yeast smell. So it might be yeast smelly or smell like bread. You know how we use yeast to make bread? Yes, that's how the smell is. However, the discharge is very, very significant. It's a cottage cheese discharge. And it comes out like in lumps, So there's like lumps of cottage cheese. You find that on either your panty or, anywhere that has contact with your vulva. So that is one of the differences in their discharge. Vaginal yeast infection is actually caused by a fungus, which is called Candida. Yes. However, with regards to BV, it's actually bacteria. Another difference is in the way they present themselves. So, BV does not irritate as much. Yes, someone could actually have BV and not feel any irritation at all. Whereas, if you do have vaginal yeast infection, it will itch the living daylight out of you. Yeah, it's so uncomfortable. And then, of course, with itching comes redness, comes pain, and sometimes the vulva also could become swollen because of the itching. And another thing is, when someone has vaginal yeast infection, it is normal or it is common for them to experience pain when they are peeing, like a burning sensation basically when peeing. Whilst we can't treat BV with over-the-counter medications, we can, however, treat vaginal yeast infection with over-the-counter medications. Yeah, so you can just go to your pharmacy and then you tell them these are the symptoms you're having, and then they give you those medications, antibiotics or insertion pills that can help you treat them. Yes. We said that BV only affects females. Yes, the AFABs, which is assigned females at birth. In the case of yeast infection, it affects both males and females. As a matter of fact, a guy can actually give you vaginal infection. Yes. So, it's also important that we note that for those who are the males that are uncircumcised, they are at higher risk of getting yeast infection, either from a partner or other sources. So another difference also is that for those who have like diabetes, high blood sugar levels, they are at higher risk of having yeast infections as compared to those who do not have high blood sugar issues. Yes, so it's important that we take note. These are the main differences. There are, however, other differences. And hey, do feel free to put down your questions and contributions in the comment section. We'll all be here to listen to them. We're all here to learn after all. Looking forward to hearing from you. You can send a DM if you want. I promise to always answer you. Love you, Shebesties. Till next time. Peace.